We wish to present you today spinach with egg dish. The three main ingredients are spinach, eggs and spring onions. The additives are salt and pepper powder. To start with, chop spring onions.
We don't have spring onion with normal onion also.
Fine chopping is ideal. Cut spinach next. Also thin cutting is good. So the leafy part you have to chop again on the other direction so that the parts or the pieces become smaller.
See now small, huh? Like this.
Now
Now put
the
it
stem as well as the leaf all are in smaller parts. Put in the bowl. Break the eggs into the bowl. We use 3 eggs here. We usually use brown eggs, as you can see.
Then put
The
little
brown
salt.
eggs considered to be healthier. Add a pinch of salt, and the difference between brown eggs and white eggs may be subtle, but still brown eggs are considered to be having more minerals or vitamins. You can use a bit of shrimps, dried small shrimps, that will be added
Give more calcium.
taste. And shrimps are considered to have lots of minerals as well as place calcium. Flat saucepan on the stove. Oil will be added into the pan when it is hot and all the water has been dried out. Now the pan is hot and we add oil into that. It will take a moment for oil to be burned because oil is
This
a
time
small
because
quantity.
this very heat very fast, must off.
Remember to put off the stove within a second, otherwise the oil will be burned and smoke will be generated. Add burn. Once the oil is burned, you pour that oil into a bowl, and then the pan is ready to receive cooking material. Now the pan is ready to receive the material, and this process makes the material not get adhered into the pan. It's called the preheating process of frying pan. The meat covered for even cooking. The temperature recommended is below 300. Now it's 15 minutes past on the cooker, and the fire was less than 300. 100 would have been much
100,
better.
100, not 300.
Now it's cooked.
Yeah.
It's like a pie. like spinach combined with eggs and onion,
Spring onion.
spring onions. It has become a very healthy dish. Lovely. It's cooked nicely with a brownish finish. That's the ready dish.
This one.
It would be very nice to eat with roti or bread, and a combination of some fried fish and chicken would have been ideal. Yummy. It's delicious, nourishing, and above all, healthy for all ages. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you next time.